handling multiple windows. Okay. All right. Now, what happens, guys, when you get to any URL, right? We are actually opening one web page, or we are actually getting into the parent web page, right? And in that parent web page, there might be some links, or there might be some tabs, which when you click on those links or tabs, it will open a new web page, or it will open a new tab. Right? You would have seen that in your experience, right? So when I get into this demo.guru99.com/popup.php, I am getting this web page, and here I am having a link. Click here. When I click on this link, it is opening a new tab, right? And here in this new tab, or in this new web page, I want to enter this email address. So since my focus is on my parent window, I cannot enter an email ID required to be entered in this child window, right? So for that, I will have to switch my driver from my parent window to child window, and then only I can work on this child window, right? So there is a concept of multiple window handle here. Okay, this is my parent window, right, wherein I got this link. Click here, and when I clicked on this link, I actually navigated to the child window, and directly I cannot work on this child window. I will have to switch my focus from parent window to child window, and then only I can work on this window. Like I can enter the email ID and then click on the submit button, and then whatever the operation I want to perform in this, I can work on this window when I actually switch my focus from parent window to child window. Okay, so we will write a small piece of code to understand this, and then we will see how it is actually working. So people, they do ask in the interview also, how do you handle multiple windows? Okay, so a Selenium by default provides two methods for handling multiple window. First is GetWindowHandle, and second is GetWindowHandles. Okay, GetWindowHandle returns the handle of your current window. So it returns the handle or as in the ID of the current window. Returns handle of current window. And GetWindowHandles returns, basically it returns the set of all window. Return set of all window handles. Okay. The return type of this is string, and the return type of this is set of string. Okay, why set? Because set does not allow duplicate values, right? List allows duplicate value. So that is the reason they use set here. Okay, now let's remove this all code and just concentrate how I am doing this, and then practice that. Okay, so here I am actually having this parent window, and then I am getting into this parent window. And first, when I get into this parent window, I will just get the handle of this window. So driver.getWindowHandle. So this is my parent handle, string parent handle. Okay, and then I am clicking on that link. Okay, so for clicking on the link, I will have to use either link text, or I will have to create my XPath, right? So link here, and yeah, so this is my link, and let's use the link text here. Click here. So driver dot find element by dot link text, then dot click. When I click on that link, I am navigating, I am actually opening a new tab, right? So let's try until here. Okay. Yeah. So first I clicked on this link and then I am getting the new tab here. Likewise, I can get multiple tabs also. So this time I'm getting only one tab. I can get multiple tabs also. And in the console, I'll find the, okay, I have not printed this get window handle. So CISO parent handle. Okay, and if I save this and then run this, I'll get the parent window handle here. Okay, so this is my parent window handle. Now what I want to work on this child window. I want to provide some email ID in this child window and then submit button. Okay, now for that I will have to switch to the child window. Okay, for that what I will do, first I will get the window handle, all window handles. So for that I will write driver dot get window handles, and that I will save in a set of string and then all handle. Okay, and now here what I will do, I will create one small logic here which will actually switch my focus from parent window to child window. So I will write a enhanced for loop here, string handle colon all handle, and then here I will check if handle dot equal, ignore case, parent handle, and this is my not equal. Then switch my focus. So driver dot switch to dot window, and here I will write, here I will give handle. Okay, and then driver dot find element, so then I will give the email ID here. Let's say email ID is having name here. Okay, and then find element by dot name dot send keys, and then let's say Nitin, I'm giving Nitin here, and then driver dot find element by dot, then I am submitting on this. So this, for this I'm having a button login by dot name dot click. Okay, and then let's say I'm closing this, driver dot close, and once my child window is closed, I'm coming out of this for loop. Why? To one.
That's one more.
Yeah, and once I am coming, I am closing my child window, I am just switching back to switch to window and then parent handle. Okay, and then I am closing my parent window also. Okay, so let's see if it is working. What actually happens if I give submit here? Email ID is not valid. Okay. All right, so and here let me print the all handle dot size. Okay, how many windows I am having here? So I will get 2 here. Yeah, it worked well, right? Was it too fast? You want to see it again?
Yeah, can we run it again?
Yeah. So let me put some thread dot sleep here. Let's do one thing. I will not close this. I will switch to the parent handle and then let's close the parent window. Okay. Yeah, got it. So this time I am not closing the child window. Okay. I just entered the email ID and then I clicked on the login button, right? And then I got this email ID not valid inline message. And once my this for loop was done, I switched my focus to parent handle and then I closed the parent window. Okay, instead of close, if I use driver.quit here, it will close all the windows. It will not just close the parent window, it will close all the window. Quit. Okay, so let's try this if it works fine. See, this time all both the windows are closed. So let me close everything and then let's run. Okay, so no window is opened as of now. And let's run this. Got it, right? So this can be handled using iterator also. So here I've used for loop and you can write this logic in iterator also. Remember we have used iterator for iterating the collection objects.
Yeah, I tried to.
Forgot or remember?